Welcome to another episode and video on my Raspberry Pi, which is connected to this breadboard through a band cable for GPIO, and then this is the Raspberry Pi 2, which is, as said, connected to GPIO. A serial cable for necessary communication to see if everything boots nicely. By the way, this is then the Serial Pi Plus board, and here under is the Raspberry Pi 2, and connected to it is an HDMI cable for this monitor, which is currently standby, not being used because the resolution is very low. So yeah, I can use it, but better is to use VNC, which I am using by network cable that is also connected to the Raspberry Pi. And it is supposed to control through ROS, the robot operating system, all this. And by the way, the robot operating system runs on Ubuntu Linux. That is the best option to run ROS. The electronics and this fischertechnik with motor with propeller and a phototransistor and an LED are supposed to run. Last time I removed everything that did not run nicely, which also implies that I removed the Python version that did something but not what I wanted. So now's the question. After the restart of the whole programming, can I get anything to work? Because the main problem still was, how do I get a customized package, a custom package, rather custom rather than customized, to run? And the tutorial said yes, experience said no. I want yes, so I started using the tutorial and see whatever I can get it with. So programmed in C, so let's see. No, it's C++ actually. So let's see what ever the result may be. Alright, and then first things first, where have I put my source code? Because as you can see in source code, there's absolutely nothing. So yeah, ROS score doesn't matter as yet. Did I make anything? I made something. The question is what? Yeah, so let's get ROS score running at all. The ampersand is not really necessary, but it's nice when things fit. Alright, that's done. Which brings me to the next point, catkin, and actually catkin make. I did check the package list and CMake text, CMake list test, and actually I found that I had made an error in there previously. So it would have been possible, it is possible that in my previous attempts in C I or in both C++ and Python, I made a mistake there. What you can see now is the creation of a data message and the creation of the message directory, and well, here I am in the same thing, and well, this is of course the same as that. But I haven't created the source yet. So back to catkin make, and see whatever can be done. The tutorial tells me to use ROS CD to go to the package, and then create a source code or the source code directory, but I've already been there, so let's still do that. Oh, ROS CD. Oh, alright, I can't do that since I haven't sourced anything yet. Now I probably can. Now I'm there. Already made the source code directory, so I have to go there. And I should be going back, not there, but here. Okay, back in the basis directory. Then code. Well, this is of course the standard code from which I'm going to divert, because I have to address some stuff. So now the experimenting begins again, and I will have to use this anyway. Copying has no use. I will have to use this, this part, this one, make up some publisher, loop rate, and then something in the while was okay. So where to start? Well, first things first, make and that's important, of course, make up a nice program name. They say it is a talker here, but it is not important. It is not in the it has to be in the package, and so not the same name. So let me use a different name then, but how shall I call it? FT control. .cpp. Another thing is, of course, that I will have a publisher and a subscriber. So far I have used sub and pub and sub for both, but nothing telling me that they should be the same. So FT control could be the publisher, and let's say motor run could be the subscriber. That could be. Or in this case it is data that is being sent. Which data? Probably. And why is this going? I ripped it off again here. Alright, let's hope that this one keeps it. So I'm going to use it like this. And for this one I have to source it as well. No, I have to change to catkin. Yeah. Source, develop and setup bash. Okay, and then vi editor. ft motor.cpp, which will be the subscriber. So first, no, I have to do different. Alright, let me do it a little bit less complicated. This will be the subscriber, and hardly readable and written wrong, but I don't care for now. Okay, here same thing. Did I make an error? No, really. Okay, so be it. Back to here, include ROS, ROS-H, and probably standard message, but ROS will be there. Quotes or bracket, quotes. That's one. Let's include the other one as well. That doesn't hurt. Yep. Stream. I'll leave that one out for now. Main and ROS init are the most important things now, so let's include them. And I'll do this outside of the recording. Alright, so I have now in fact more or less copied the tutorial, changed a few things in detail. Once I renamed the files, so it is ftcontrol.cpp and ftmotor.cpp, so cpp for C++. Other than that, now the files have no things in common with the actual package name, Raspberry Pi FT. Question now, of course, what will happen? Will things start to happen finally? The only thing I can do now is run catkin make. See whatever happens. Wow, that was fast. Can I run something? I'll do that in here. So no, I will do that in here as well as in here. So ROS run, and then E. What's going on here? It should autocomplete. It does not. That means that it probably didn't even compile. So why would that be? Written. Oh, that's quit. Okay. It's all there. Then, okay. So, what to do? I have made everything. I've done everything that I know of. Oh wait, I have now new file names, which I should which I actually should use now in the CMake list. Okay. So let me do that here. Yeah, CMake list. Then what to do, because that's the pain point. Declare ROS messages and services. So to the bottom of the file, add those ones. Okay. So I am right here, and here I should add them. And since I can't copy paste, well, I can try, but that won't be any luck. Paste. Yeah, right. It doesn't do anything. Alright. So you think you're there, and you're not. And typos are very easily made. But now the point is, it goes on Talker and Talker CPP. So the file name is now ft control. So this should be source and then ft control CPP. although I should add a bracket here. Right. Next thing is adding target link libraries. With content listener. Oh no, I'm still here. Talker. So that will be again ft control and then catkin libraries. And I have to be really careful not to make any typos, which are very easily made. And here something is something that is really messing things up, because this is the package. So I should have add dependencies. Then, and here things went wrong the last time, so ft control package name, which is in my case RaspberryPi_ft, and then underscore generate messages. Underscore cpp. Dependencies, okay. Yet another typo. Right. So what is the other one? That's for the listener. Well, that's not as much work. I just have to yank and paste with one empty line, and this will be the listener, which is ft motor. Yeah. Yes, that should be it. If it is it, that I will only know when I run catkin make. So now it's save catkin make. Now it is finally doing something. Error. Function missing ending O. Where? Ah, wait. Yeah, I get it. I do get it. This is not a bracket, this is a accolade. So here and here insert one. See, that makes a big difference. Here replace one, and here insert one. Okay, talking about typos. Warning, warning. As long as I don't get an error, I'm quite happy. So how will this be? And yes, this is still running on just the Raspberry Pi. There's nothing running here yet. Oh, I see an error now. Yet another error. ROS info was not declared. Really? FT motor CPP 8 22 and 8. Unterminated argument list. In 22. This is 22. What's wrong? It is about invoking my macro ROS info. That's only here. So where is this going wrong? It is double quote present s double quote comma. Data.c string, yeah. I don't find any error there. Neither the line up so where does it go wrong? Because it says FT motor. Oh wait, FT motor they say. Hold on. Quote. Quote. I'm looking in the wrong file. Then again, I see nothing that I did wrong. So this is really unclear. Was not declared in this scope. Did I make a mistake here then? No, because I copied everything. I copied these two lines. Alright. What to do with this? It is clearly an error, but I don't see the error. Expected at 822 or at line 8. Expected. Oh wait, I see something I missed. Yeah, I missed the bracket, and that may explain a lot. One bracket, one semicolon, one quote missing. Every detail counts. The devil is in the details. And now there's no error. One bracket makes a difference. So I'm going to try to run it. I have actually no time left, so I am going to do it quickly, I hope quickly anyway. So this should be FT control, yes. Running, good. Then I have to be in the base directory, ROS run package, please respond. Do something. Ouch. Okay, what did I miss? This is a subscriber node, listener, chatter, and here, oh, here it says chatter, and there it says chatter. And what did I do? Control. Ah, wait. It subscribes to chatter, and hence I have to subscribe to control, not to FT motor. Right, next chance. Now, syntactically it's correct, but the question is everything correct? Okay, next chance. No way. Okay, end of this time. Alright, so I'm running out of time, but I don't care. I'm specifically targeting the motor, which doesn't work right now, unfortunately. There is something in my code that's not entirely correct. And, well, that part is running. And I mean, of course, especially the Raspberry Pi under the Zero Pi Plus. That is where the software is, and this is what it should control. And this is not happening. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you like this episode and video, please subscribe to my channel. Give it thumbs up, like it, leave a comment or suggestion. You can also follow me on Twitter. Please retweet, like it, leave a comment. You can also follow me on Instagram. Please like it, leave a comment. You can show your appreciation by making a small donation, either by PayPal or Wired. See my website for more information. You can also choose to become a patron and have your name mentioned. Also, for more information, see my website. See also for a lot of information under this video. And this is, of course, going to be continued. Once again, thank you for watching, and